1994 Ford F250 Supercab 4x4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Also here it referred to as an extended cab. Listen to this. 37,189 actual miles on this vehicle is all. 2-owner, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Spent the majority of its life in Nevada and Wyoming. And it definitely shows when you start looking at the lower rockers around the wheel wells. Very clean truck, and we'll get to that in just a bit. First of all, underneath the hood, 5.8 liter. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Look at the chrome in the front bumper, grille, headlights. All nice condition. Paint code YY, so this would be considered white, although it is slightly off-white compared to, let's say, Oxford white, which you see in the Ford's lot, very bright white. All right, still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed. Those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Those are new Firestone Transforce radial tires, polished wheels. Technician also noted the brakes are 70% front and rear. This is a turnkey truck. Get in it and go. Need something to pull with, here you are. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and again, you can see it is really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Found a couple very minor ones up on the hood. You can kind of see that, and I don't even know if they'll really show up. It's being awful fussy. Let's take a look down the rest of this passenger side. And again, lower rockers, not all corroded, rusted away, in extremely nice shape. Same way with the bed. This bed does not appear that it's been worked. As far as a lot of the trucks we see in the Midwest here that are farm trucks, work trucks, this thing is immaculate. Bent seat, cloth interior. That is a removable armrest and cup holder if you'd like to have a seating area there. Stock dash, AM, FM cassette player that is working. Wipers work, radio works. Like I said earlier, this truck's turnkey. Get in it and go. Dual tanks. You can see how nice and straight these panels are too. Of course, the receiver on the rear of it. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. With the price of new trucks these days, these things are getting snatched up. There's no doubt about that. We're selling a lot of these older trucks with lower miles, nice condition, because you know what? People still like to drive. And if you like this style of truck, this vintage, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Vehicles are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can also see long box. So if you're looking for a super cab, a long box Ford that has a lot of life left in it, don't want to buy a new one, here you go. I don't think this one's going to stick around too long. All right, let's check out this interior. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And it's one of those, if you don't like the frills, say power windows and locks and carpeting and all of that, you want a truck that's going to do its job, work for you. Don't worry about everything else. Here you go. See rubber floors. Easy to keep clean. You do have a bench seat in the rear. Headliner in great shape. This truck has just what you need. All right, there's your exact miles, 37,189. Gauge is working, no check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Manual transfer case, AM, FM cassette, and that is working.
Well, either that
once
or
again.
It's got to be the turnaround time.
AC's cold, and of course, XL package. And the big boy underneath the hood, 5.8. Let's listen. Sounds as you'd expect. Let me get up to the front and get this hood open. We're going to take a look at the engine bay. I think we know what that's going to look like. And then, like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Quick look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. Also nice and clean and tidy. Appears to be stock. I don't know where you're going to find a cleaner one, let alone with the miles. Two owner. Spent most of its life in Nevada and Wyoming. It's a solid truck. 1994 Ford F250 Supercab, 4x4 long box. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1994 Ford F250. This would be a super cab with a full-length bed in white. Very solid truck. This truck showing some low mileage. If you missed your chance to buy one back in the 90s, here's your chance to buy a low mileage F250 automatic on the column. Oil pressure is showing a little over halfway up the gauge, the temperature a quarter of the way up from cold, and the battery 2/3 of the way up, which is right where you want it, charging very well. The fuel tank is showing a quarter of a tank on the gauge. Factory stereo is working as it should.
Classic rock.
Your flavor adventure starts.
We have tested FM. There is cassette. I did not test cassette. The AC blows cold in this truck. On a warm day in Minnesota, that is a great feature to have. I do feel one tire moving a little bit, and that might just be from sitting. These vehicles do sit for extended periods of time. I mean, it has low mileage on it. Nice looking interior, cloth bench seat. We have a custom storage center console sitting on that seat, easily removable. It's got cup holders. Power steering working as it should. Nice and quiet. Corners properly for a F250. Acceleration is good. The kickdown works on the automatic transmission. This is your chance to buy a low mileage 1994 F250. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.